Strawberry jam is a pantry staple for a reason, and it's so easy to make. It's just strawberries, sugar, and heat. The result, the most delicious substance on the planet. Strawberry jam. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take these strawberries and I'm going to put them in my blender. Now you can mash these down, but why do that when you have a blender? So let's go ahead and pour all of this in here. We'll start it at 1. We really don't need to go too high with this blender. It will puree all of these strawberries beautifully. Now we take our strawberry puree, pour it into the pot we're going to use for making jam. Now I've got about 6.5 cups here, so I'm going to do 1 for 1 with sugar, so I've measured out 6.5 cups of sugar. Now, the important thing is before we add the heat, we want to mix the sugar and the strawberries thoroughly together. So you'll have a very sweet strawberry puree, and then all we have to do is apply heat and this will turn into jam. There we go. Great, now we have a very sweet strawberry puree. All we need to do now is add heat, get this up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and we have jam. All right, so we'll turn on the heat and bring this up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, when the jam is done, it's a much darker red color. Now you can tell the jam is done when you reach 220 degrees on the candy thermometer. And also, the back of the spoon, totally jam. It's not falling off the spoon at all. So we know this is ready and can now go into jars. You can process them in a water bath canner, or you can put them in the refrigerator and just eat it within the month. I hope you enjoy the strawberry jam. Thanks for watching, and please, if you like the video, click like and subscribe to the channel so you know as new recipes are added.